Hello everyone, this is DM1810. It is a 1998 Toyota Chaser. It is a Grande that has been 2JZGTE swapped and manual swapped. This is part of our direct from Japan inventory, so the car is what it is and you get what you get. Has some SSR wheels on it, stock suspension. We did put new tires on it because the tires that were on it were toasted.
It's got smoked corners. It's got a new front mount. Do you know what front bumper this is? It kind of looks like Vertex.
It's either Vertex or Origin.
Yeah.
It does have the sunroof with the windshield, which is cool.
I love the visor. They're so cool.
Since this is a 1998, it does have a Series 2 tails, which is cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh, did I not pop that?
Did you not pop it, Ed?
I think I just popped it. I mean the hood. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, we got an Aristo floor mat back here. Nice. Nice and clean.
Oh yeah. Oh, let's see. Very clean. Check out the interior while Ed's putting that back together. It's got leather seat covers, Tomei shift knob.
Electric fans.
Oh yeah, it works.
It works. Yep.
Check out the rear.
The black leather seat covers are awesome.
They are awesome. Well, now I'll show people what they want to see at least.
What you want to see?
2JZ. So, we've got a fresh battery in here. We did a front mount, new intake.
No, intake was there.
Or sorry, the filter. Devin actually fabricated this overflow here.
Yeah, because the lack of one was not going to do. So.
Yeah.
Dang, bro, we put a Greddy front mount on it? Okay. Okay. All right, well, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. If you want to see something specific, Dan or I can help you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.